everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jace, and in this video we're exploring the food that warms my soul in Seoul. My husband and I have been so excited to visit this place, and I can't wait to show you all the incredible food we ate on our trip, representing Korean food culture. We flew all the way from Melbourne to Korea just to bring in the rain. July in Melbourne is winter season and we wanted to go to Asia to escape the cold. Behind planning a trip, we think about when, how long, where we're going, have we been there before, how much would it be to travel there. All of these things we consider before flying anywhere. When we were looking at flights to Seoul, we found that in July, which is their monsoon season, the tickets were relatively cheaper than anywhere else, so we decided to take the chance and go. It was actually quite spontaneous, so here we are finding ourselves exploring one of Asia's iconic food scenes. No trip is complete without experiencing the local cuisine. Today we headed to Kalguksu alley. We tried the iconic knife-cut noodles called kalguksu, and with this dish came two other dishes for only $8. This broth on a rainy, gloomy day was comfort to my soul. We also had a rice dish called bibimbap. Noodles had a gochujang and sesame sauce, and was a great accompaniment to our other dishes. This place is definitely a must-visit if you're ever in Seoul. The noodles are good. If you didn't go to Korea for their fried chicken, you really didn't go to Korea. This Korean restaurant was called BBQ Chicken Myeongdong, and if you're crash landing on Fan, you know what I'm talking about. We had just eaten, but upon walking past, we couldn't miss an opportunity to have their olive oil fried chicken. As a mozzarella stick lover, you know I went and ordered that as well. Time to taste test this chicken to see if it lives up to the hype. We ordered the golden chicken, which is the regular chicken with no sauce. It was crunchy without being overly battered, and the chicken was so juicy on the inside. What's your favorite piece in a chicken? Mine is definitely the drumstick because of the juicy meat and how easy it is to eat. I always feel like I'm a kid again. When you travel to a new country, what are your priorities? Is it seeing all of the famous landmarks? Is it visiting museums or exploring the history? Is it to shop and spend your money on clothes, accessories, or shoes? Or is it to explore their culture and cuisine? Mine is definitely trying out local cuisine and food. I grew up in a family full of food lovers. They love to cook and eat. Simple. I've noticed that all our trips that we planned have been based on a common love for food.